while it's up on the ramps and not driving, I thought I might take the opportunity to rewire the stereo. So I've pulled out all the seats, because before I just had all the wires running on the carpet along the back floor and under the seats, and wiring was just everywhere. So yeah, I've pulled out the front and back seats. I've pulled out the center console with the stereo on it. Pulled out all the floor mats and most of the rubbish. So yeah, there's the back seat. That's the fuel tank in there. And then you've got the front, where the console was, and the driver's seat. So I've got my first wire down, which is the RCA wire, which just runs up here and through there into the boot, and it runs just under the carpet there somewhere and comes up that red and just there, which is getting wired to my sub, which has the amplifier now screwed on the side, which I was doing that at 2-3 AM this morning. So there's the RCAs just there. Now the next step is I've got to run the signal wire and the power wire along this side of the car, so the opposite side to the sound wire, speaker wire. So yeah, I'll get to it.
I wanna see you.